Hello guys, so now we're going to be taking a look at app rejected. So now the app we sent for review has been rejected by Google. As you can see here, it said app rejected. This is nothing to panic about, right? Easy peasy. Just go ahead and click on this app rejected. So you can see the problem, what caused the app rejection. What caused the app rejection? Okay, so we now go here. So you can see here, it said go to policy status. So it said your recent app submission has been rejected for not adhering to the Google Play developer, whatever. So just go to policy, go to policy here. Okay, now there are two reasons here. One is the data safety section in Google Play that are invalid data safety form, and the second one is violation of Play console requirements. Okay, so let's start with this. Just go ahead and click on the arrow here, you see. So it's talking about the safety here. So all we just need to do is to go to data safety. So and refill this form again. So next. Does the app collect any shared data? Say yes. Probably because we said no the other time. So we say yes this time around. So is all of the user data collected by having created entrance? They say yes. Then what does it collect? Username and password, username and authentication, username, blah blah. Okay. See my app, so we can don't need to choose this. Then add a link that users can use to request that their account and or shared data is deleted. Okay, so we grab this. So this link will be shown on your Google Play Store listing. You should refer to our name that is shown on your store listing. Prominent feature step that users should take to request that the account is deleted. Specify the types of data that are deleted or kept. Okay. So this is basically for deleting account and all that. So can do that. Okay, so do you provide a way for users to request that someone their data deleted without requiring them to delete their account? So no. Remove users additional batch. Okay. So additional batches, maybe you need to show additional batches, don't you showing batches, okay. Okay. I made a mistake to click on that please. So here okay. So I think there should be a place for a user to be able to delete their account basically on your website. So you provide this to ensure that users are able to delete their account. So let me confirm that. Okay, so we said, do you provide any way for users to request some audio? No. Okay, so we'll click next. So data types. Select all the user data types collected or shared by your app. Location, no. Personal info, name, email address, user ID, address, phone number. This, okay. Show user payment info, purchase history. Health and fitness. We don't need that. Messages, email. User statement includes the sender, recipient, the amount. No, we don't need this. User statement includes the email subject line. No content. No, we don't take this. Photos and videos. So basically, it's just about app interactions, app activity, installed apps. No, it doesn't take web browsing, device ID, app info and performance. So that's basically. So next, collected. Okay. So processing data frame means accessing and using data while it's only stored in the memory. So this is it. Yes. Users can turn off this data collection. App functionality, analytics. Okay. So those are the reasons for collection of those details, account management, personalization. So we save that, then we go to email address collected, and then we select this. This collector is processed ephemerically. Merely. Okay, so now is this data required for your app? You can choose whether then functionality, analytics, account management, personalization. So we go ahead and save that. User IDs. So phone number collected. Then sexual orientation collected. Yes. This analytics, account management and personalization, save. Okay, that's done. So the next one, so is this data required for your app or can user choose whether it's collected? App functionality. So the lesser you select option, the better for you here on this other side. So because you see there are a lot of things for you to fill here. Okay. So contact. So audio files collected. Okay, so we save that. Then photos and videos. Yes, and the second one, users can turn off this. User can turn off that functionality and account management. Basically the same thing over and over again. The process is a little bit tedious. I don't know why Google does that. Data collected option required. It's not app functionality. So we save that. I think that's that. Everything here has been selected. Then we go to next. And what else again? So this is the URL for delete. So let's go ahead and save. To send it to Google for you, good to go. Not now. So not now because there were two policies that they complained about. So we need to fix the both of them. So this is the second one. So let's see what this one is. So he said, in order for us to view your app comply with the development program policy. Okay, please note that the following requirements providing login for your login will be accessible. Okay. So that's the app access. Okay, so we need to go to app access and provide them the login details. So you can log in to check, review the app. Okay, so read the instruction, then go to app access page, update your app access information, click here, go to publishing overview to send for review again. Okay, so app access should be under release, release overview. Main store listing. Let's check, let's use this. App access, permission declaration, advanced setting. Permission declaration, let's see. So I think this should be it. This data safety. Okay, we did this already. So what we're basically looking for now is app access. This data safety. Okay, so let's come here. Publishing overview. This should be it. Data safety was done, actioned. This is app access. So we click on manage. Allow something. Okay, so add instruction. Okay, instruction name, enter a name for this instruction so that we can recognize what they are. For example, instruction for accessing So username, email address, or phone to log into the app. Okay. So right now we're going to provide the login details that this our reviewers are going to use to log into the app. Okay. So that's one of the challenge that they are having. Okay. To reviewing the app. Okay. So what we're going to do is to go in here, username that they are going to use to log into the app. Okay. So username here is maybe maybe we should give them an email. MAHJE49@gmail.com, and then the password 123456789 Okay. So now that we've provided this, we are going to go ahead and add this information. Okay, so instruction on how to access the email address account, instruction on how to bypass biometric logins and all that. So the same thing we're going to do, we're going to copy this same information, come down here and paste. Copy the username and put here username, then put the password. So then tick here that no other information is required apart from all this. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm going to click add. So instruction has been added. So now that I've added the instruction and all that, click on save. So you said your changes have been saved. To send it to God, we'll go to publishing. So we can now go because we fixed the two error, right? Some recent changes were rejected. Some changes that were recently sent for review, but we'll fix the issues and make sure. Yeah, those issues have been fixed. So now we're going to go ahead and send these 14 changes for review. Okay. So now that that has been sent to review, we can relax and wait again for Google to the review team to review it. So now you can see the app is showing under review. So if you click and go to all apps, you're going to see it here in review. Okay. So guys, that's how to troubleshoot any issue you have while trying to when you send the app to Play Store for review. So let's wait and see the next result. Responder is going to come back again. If it comes back with any other issue, we're going to deal with it. If it comes back with a success, then the app is going to be live on the Play Store. And that is what we hope for. So that will be all for now, guys, in this video. Expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.